Hi, my name is Jacob Hernandez with JH Ag Consulting. I'm here today to talk a little bit about sand filters. Sand filtration is probably the most important thing that we can do for our irrigation system. We need to make sure that anything that's entering that system is clean, screened, and ready to go before we even get to our emitters or to our plants. Sand media filters in particular, they work very well, but we do need to maintain them with a couple different things, and one of the most important is going to be to take care of your actual sand media itself. The sand media works because it has edges which actually capture those particles and those different materials, and as that sand material ages and breaks down, it's not going to be as effective at capturing those particles. So if we're not adding new sand or replacing that sand entirely, then we're going to not be capturing that material as effectively as possible. And having a good backflush system is just as important on those filters as well, because we're checking that pressure differential, we're making sure that those filters are actually capturing that material. And as that pressure differential changes, then an automatic backflush is going to help to keep that sand clean and to help maintain its cleanliness over time, which is what we want, is clean, sharp sand. Check it every year, replace it, keep it up tip-top shape, and it'll keep that junk out of your lines and emitters. Thanks.